I got a great quote for you. And the deeper you can let this land, the more it will mean. But, so I got a question. What is your horse's job in relation to your relationship with you? What is your horse's job when you two are together? And then I have my answer, but feel free to throw out. Like, what are your thoughts? Yes, Joellen.
A willing partner.
Okay, your horse's job is to be a willing partner.
Be connected.
To be connected. Yes. What else? To be able to take care of himself, the horse. Yeah. Okay. What else? Those are all good. I'm full. I'm digging where you're going. Here's the deeper you can let this in, the more you'll get out of your horse. Your horse's job is to point out the holes in your horsemanship. What if we looked at it that way? My horse won't lead. Okay, we have a horsemanship issue. My horse won't get in the horse trailer. Okay, we have a horsemanship issue. My horse is jigging and zagging on the trail. Okay, we have a horsemanship issue. What if your horse's job is to point out the holes in your horsemanship back to you? Hell, your best friend won't even do that for you. What do you think?
I think you have a t-shirt with that on.
I think so too. There you go. Did you hear that, Cami Sue? We should have a t-shirt with that on there. I like that too. What does that feel like? What does that feel like to just have that kind of land with you?
It's humbling. Very humbling.
Humbling. Yeah. What if I took that same role and responsibility into my relationship with my wife? What if my wife's role and responsibility is to point out the holes in my humanship? Not to point them out, but to be a part of them. Like when we struggle, when we have something happen, what if it's neither one of us our fault, but by her being in a relationship with me is the only way I can see this about me? What if that's it? What if you wouldn't learn this about yourself if you didn't have that person to help reflect that back to you? So I view it that way with the horses, and I view this with my clients when they're working. It's one of the first things I tell in my coaching program is your horse's job is to point out the holes in your horsemanship. So go hang out with your horse and let's figure out what we got to work on. Your horse will tell you. Just go figure out what isn't working and let's start there. Because that's where your horse is saying, here's the first spot. Oh, my horse is really hard to catch. There we go. Let's start with your horsemanship on how to catch a horse. What does it mean to the horse? Right? As humans want to go in and just put the halter on. But there's a whole different psychology there of a prey animal being approached by a predator. That gets to be negotiated. There's a timing and a feel that we blend and work that through with some horses. Some horses, that's turned way down and you can just walk right in and catch them. Others, as soon as you go in, they're like... Right? Some people are that way too. You see Steve like, oh.